post 9 a.m. and it is now opened in the green. You are looking at the fireworks because we are calling it as the big Diwali Bonanza. It's announced by the Prime Minister himself. The GST reform markets, there is celebration, and the Sensex seems to be up by nearly 600 points. Hina, how are the markets reacting this morning?
Well, markets are extremely happy. Investors are extremely happy. They are giving a thumbs up to the sweeping reforms, in fact, that have been announced by the Finance Minister late last night as far as GST is concerned. In fact, in the pre-open, trading that was happening, Sensex was up 900 points. And after, markets have opened, almost everything is in green right now. Most of the frontline indices are in green, and as we speak, after opening at 9:15, we are seeing Sensex, with a gain of almost 550 to 560 odd points. So it's around 600 points up. That's for Sensex. It is very, very comfortable above 81,100 mark. When it comes to Nifty, even Nifty is now very close to that psychological mark of 25,000. Nifty is seeing a gain of about 160 odd points. And the kind of benefits that these reforms are going to bring to various sectors, be it the auto sector, be it the agriculture sector, be it all other sectors, the medical sector, the insurance sector, all of these sectors are likely to see not just a direct impact because of lower GST rate, but an indirect impact in terms of boost in consumption. And that is something that is being reflected in the stock market today. The sentiment is quite positive, and we'll have to see as the day progresses where the markets really go. But for now, a thumbs up has been given to the reforms announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Of course, it was a vow of Prime Minister Modi that he had announced from the ramparts of the Red Fort on Independence Day that has now been fulfilled.
Well, this has been, as far as Hina has been mentioning, the very timing is something that has now been welcomed by the markets as well. Mr. Kedia, how are you looking at as far as the GST revamp? Has it lifted the market sentiment, sir?
See, it has definitely lifted the market sentiment, but a stock market process has hundreds of factors to work with. So I would urge any individual retail investors watching your channel to not get into a euphoric state just because of GST for the next 5 days. But from a 5-month perspective, industries that have had a massive cut, air conditioners, washing machines, all the FMCG, hygiene and health products, any companies that are making butter, ghee, cheese. So आप एक सस्टेनेबल ट्रेंड के लिए रीजनेबल एक्सपोजर के साथ हम्बल होके काम करेंगे तो दीज आर वेरी बिग शूटर्स. सी whenever consumption taxes are reduced on any consumables, of course the top line growth is massive based on different industries, and when sales grow up, obviously profits will grow up. So don't do a 1-2 day speculation. GST changes have not been done for 2 days. Take a perspective of 6 months to a year, and there's a lot of money to be picked up from the markets on the stocks that are positively impacted by the GST rate cuts. But much more than only those stocks where GST rate cuts are happening, when a government goes out and gives out a great signal that, look, we've been collecting taxes and we've been using that to build the nation.
You are saying
and now we are putting the money back into
as far as not get euphoric in the time being. But a quick comment from Mr. Subramanian before I have to head into a short break. Mr. Subramanian, do you believe that the markets to remain range-bound with the global trends and also sectoral shifts that are shaping the sentiment?
See, today market will be euphoric because the market saw it last night, and today there will be some reaction. Does it mean more toothpaste will get consumed, more blades, shaving blades will get consumed? The answer is no. And the air conditioners, again, of course there's a lot of private usage of air conditioners, but corporate users of air conditioners are anyway passing it back. So tomorrow if some Trump tariff or something like that comes, the market can also fall. So like Mr. Kedia said, take a long-term view on the market. Don't be in a hurry to buy. You will get time to buy. If you're 30 years of age, you're going to sell at the age of 70. You've got 40 years to build your portfolio. You don't have to do it in 4 days. So I completely agree with him. Give it time. Market will react to very many things. It'll react to SEO, it'll react to Trump, it'll react to what happens in China, it'll react to everything. Right. So just continue your SIPs, continue buying, but it does not mean today you have to do something.
All right. So here is as far as optimism that seems to be now reflecting when it comes to the markets today that seem to have opened in the green. And it seems the council's decisions that are likely to also play a pivotal role how the markets shape up in the near future. Thank you very much, Mr. Kedia, Mr. Subramaniam, for your expert point of view.